transparent about this. This is the background, and this is the stuff in the background. So, have these little things, take your picture with, like this. Got these different things. I'm looking for the thumb tight I dropped, but I'm gonna go get another one. Okay, I found another thumb tight. Okay. The thumb tights are not working. I'm gonna put this back up here. Hopefully it will stay. I don't know why that thumb tight came out. Hopefully it will stay. I don't like bad luck with thong tights. For some particular reason. But I went up there to get one. Oh Lord Jesus. Where did that thong tight go? I just had it in my hand. Here go the other one. Hopefully this don't come out. So, yeah. So the background, we go like this. Okay. So this is our background. That's the background. Just like that. Now you stand in front of it to take your picture. So this is our background that we're going to use, because we're going to stand up with these. And if we take some pictures sitting on the floor about this blanket, and I can put that on the floor so it don't hurt our knees. So I'm going to put this on the floor like this. So it don't hurt our knees. So, trying to make it straight. So this is how the floor will look. Like this. That's the top, that's the floor.